glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today, we are talking about procrastination. What is procrastination? Why do people procrastinate? And ways to overcome procrastination. What is procrastination? Procrastination is the deliberate act of delaying, deferring, or postponing an action for a later time. The refusal of carrying on a task at a given point in time. You want to do something now, but for one reason or the other, you left it for another thing. That resistance is what we call procrastination. Now, why do people procrastinate? Because of fear, lack of knowledge, lack of determination, and lack of self-confidence. We have two ways of procrastination. One, destructive procrastination. This is when you procrastinate out of laziness or indecision problem. You don't want to do your work because of laziness, or you don't know what to do at a given point in time. For instance, you want to start a business now. You are ready to start the business. You have the opportunity. You have the money. But you don't know what business to go into. That is indecision problem. You don't know how to go about the business, the one you finally choose. How do you start it? So what do you know about it? That is lack of knowledge. And you are afraid, am I going to be able to make it? Can I do this thing? Can I carry it on to this level? Can I do this career? That is lack of confidence. You don't have confidence in you, and there is a fear for you to carry that task. That's why you are procrastinating. Second one is productive procrastination. This is wisely waiting for the right time to do a given task. When you wait for the right time to do something, that is productive procrastination. For instance, you want to start a business. You don't have the money to start the business now. You have to save at least up to 6 months before you start the business. That is productive procrastination. Or you want to get married, but you have not finished your education. So you delay the marriage so that you can be able to finish your education, add value to yourself for your better future. That is productive procrastination. Ways to overcome procrastination. How do we stop procrastinating? One, break down the task. You can start from the smaller one, keep going to the higher or greater ones. Two, do your task bit by bit. Three, setting time for each task will help you to overcome procrastination. Set your time according to the task you have at hand. It will help you to overcome procrastination. Four, having journal or calendar. You list everything. List your tasks in your journal or in the calendar according to their date, according to their time, and try to make yourself move yourself to go to your journal always or to your calendar always and check what you have at any time. That will also motivate you to do your work and prevent you from procrastinating. 6, minimize your digital distraction. Internet distraction is a general problem to everyone. Avoid going to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms just for fun while you have work at hand. Because the more they distract you, the more you delay the work you have, and that will make you to procrastinate. So if you can minimize it, or you set time for internet internet fun, if I can say it like that. Internet fun, especially when you go there for fun, not for making money. Even if it's you go there for money's sake, you can still set time for that. Then, so that you also have time for your task at hand. That will help you to overcome procrastination. 7. Increase your self-confidence. The ability to do something. Believe in yourself. Take away fear of failure. Just believe that you can make things happen. Believe in your intelligence. Believe that you are capable. Trust yourself. Think about the value of what you want to do, the importance of it, the urgency of it. When you think about the value, I know that it is something that you will gain from that task, from that thing you want to do, from that career, from that business, from that work you want to embark on. When you think about the gain, the advantages of it in your life, it will motivate you, it will encourage you, it will push you to stand up and take action and start doing that task, and start doing that work, and start doing that career, anyone that you want to do. So think about the value and remove fear from your spirit, from your mind. Delete it from your memory, because fear can make you to procrastinate. The truth about procrastination is that procrastination decreases achievements, your progress in life. That is the simple truth. It is a thief of time, enemy of progress. Think of where you will be today if you have started when you say you will start. Stop procrastinating. It is very, very dangerous to our future. Finally, here are some quotes on procrastination. 1. Procrastination is an enemy of success. It is an enemy of progress. Taking action will destroy your procrastination. Procrastination is a thief of time. Don't stop. Don't procrastinate. Take action. Think of where you would be today if you have started when you say you would. So, thank you. I hope that I'm able to do justice to this topic. If you know any other way we can use to overcome procrastination, let me know on the comment section. And if you have any other quotes, because there are many quotes about procrastination, just quote it on my comment section. I will be happy to reply you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming in. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to give me, just hit that red button. It's totally free. Give me a like, share, comment, and remember to on your notification bell so that each time I upload any video like this for us to discuss, you will be notified and you will watch it. And try to watch my old videos, please. Thank you for your time once again. See you on my following video. Bye. Remember, procrastination is a thief of time. Don't procrastinate. Stand up, take action, and the sky will be our limit. Bye.